Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's training. Okay, today our topic will be stock and advanced module training. Okay, so I'm Chailin here, your trainer today. Everyone is ready now and can hear my voice clearly. If yes, can help me type a 1 inside the chat box. Let's have an interaction. Okay, let's start today. For today, advanced module and also stock module. Okay, so this is the agenda for today: SQL, accounts, inventory, and also advanced module. Okay, we will separate in two sections here. Okay, two parts here. Section 1 will go to our stock module, which is maintain stock group, stock item, and also our stock entry document, and also all the stock reports, the relevant stock report. Okay, next will be the our advanced module part, which is landing cost, multiple warehouse, serial number, maintain batch, and also the last one, the currency module. We have the multiple and also advanced currency module. Okay, then if have any question, you can leave in the chat box today in the Zoom, so that we can discuss in the Q&A session later. Okay, so next. Okay, let us. So can see my screen on the SQL account. Okay, so start, we will go to okay, today will be only for stock modules part. So before this, actually we have the basic SQL account basic parts also. So today only will cover for the stock and also advanced module. Okay, so let's go to stock, then go to maintain stock group. Okay, so here you can see, this is a sample database. So you can see I have some of the maintain group here. We have the bending, accessory, default, furniture, and so on. So it depends on your business. See whether your company is want to segregate it in which category. Okay, so you can see maintain group can be your stock group. Let's see one of it there. I take the default one. Okay, so not only stock group, actually we have the two functions here for the stock maintain stock group. Okay, one you can see is the costing method. Okay, as standard for accounting standard, we have the three method of the costing method to maintain your stock group for your stock item. Okay, you can see here got fixed costing, FIFO, which is first in first out, weighted average. Okay, so later I will explain it, go through for these three costing method. Another is for the to set your GL account code. Okay, you can see here with sales code, got cash sales code, purchase, cash purchase code, sales, purchase return, and also balance sheet stock. Okay, so why we need to set account code here? Okay, if you can if you have the stock module, okay, you can, but once you do for the sales, invoicing or purchasing, purchase invoice, you notice that when you choose it, choose for you, when you open the screen, you can see only have the account code, for the, sorry, it's the item code, cannot don't have the account, have the account, but we determines on the item code. So how do you determine the item code to which account? Our account code. So you can maintain in this stock group, and for this stock group later we will set it under your stock item. Okay, so here you need to set sales code, which is the sales code. Okay, before this we'll go to the costing method. Okay, fixed costing. Okay, so I will show you. Fixed costing. Okay, what is fixed costing? Okay, fixed costing only have one cost for your stock. Okay, normally we maintain this fixed costing fixed cost in the stock item. I will show you now. Go to stock, maintain stock item here. Then you can see, okay, let's take one item. Then here, reference cost. Okay, so our fixed cost normally will get from this reference cost. Okay, so next, FIFO. What is FIFO? First in, first out. So I mark here with okay. So first in, first out, FIFO. Okay, so how we get for this first in, first out method? Okay, let's take example. For example, batch 1, I purchase for 10 quantity, 10 units with RM 10 ringgit. So another batch when we in for your company, batch 2, let's say is 5 units. I take it more expensive, 15 ringgit. To batch, then if let's say we applying this first in first out, the costing will be taking for this 10 unit first for the 10 ringgit, and also 1 unit will get for this 15 ringgit. Okay, this is so called the first in F1 FIFO, first in first out. Okay, the third one will be the weighted average. From the words you can know we will get for the average cost. Okay, for example, just now let's say we own it lah, we take or we purchase it and haven't sell it, then we total will have the 15 units. So it will total out for all these 10 ringgit and also 15 ringgit, but it will be okay, 10 units. Batch 1 will be 100 plus 15 times 5 units. Okay, so total will be 175. So it will be divide the total quantity 15 units. So here we'll have the average costing. Okay, so this will be the average cost. 11. Okay, so this will be the 3 method. Fixed costing, first in, first out, and also weighted average. Okay. So next, after this costing method, once you select for this costing method, okay, I take for, okay, we continue. A code will be, you can set any alphanumeric for the code and also description. Okay, then set for the costing method. For example, this will be the first in, first out. Then you just choose for FIFO. Then you can choose for the GL account code. So here you can see sales code. I take for the sales wedding accessory. Cash sales, which sales code? When you open for the cash sales, what account code will be applied? You can take it same if you will not going to separate it for the account code. Purchase code, cash purchase. It will drop to your purchase account code. Okay, so for the sales return and also purchase return, here will be the return inwards. Purchase return, I set for the purchase return. Okay, make sure all is set so that once you select that item, then your system will know which account code to be parked. Okay, balance sheet stock. This when you need to fill in, you need to select this account code when you allow system, you have ticked the option, you have checked the option for that system to auto update your stock value. Okay, so after you set for this maintain stock group, let's go to stock item. Okay, go to stock, then here maintain stock item. Okay, so okay, so here with the sample of the item code, stock item. So I will go through by opening new stock item for you. This same also can be the alphanumeric. Today I will taking for the gaming table. Okay, since my database is furniture, my company business nature is selling furniture. Okay, code. Okay, you can be the same as the code for description. Okay, maybe you can set for the Y, or can put it the length, the measurement of the gaming table. Okay, so item group, you can see this bold wording item code here. So just now you got set for the stock group, so now you were going to set the item group for this gaming table. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will apply for this furniture. Okay, so choose furniture, then BCOM, the lowest unit for this item, okay, will be the unit. Okay, reference cost, how much will be? I take it as 100. Okay, reference price, selling price. Okay, reference cost and reference price. Once you put it later, once you open for the sales invoice or purchase invoice, it will taking this reference cost or reference price here. So later I will show you. Chef, this can be for your remark, this item stored in which maybe warehouse, or some of the small item, they will be remarked for their which rack, got label, the label of the rack, and you can set it like S1 or rack A, in which flow, you can set it there. Okay, this is for your reference for the location of this item. Okay, rack A. Next will be reorder level. Okay, this reorder level you need you can set I take example for 10. Okay, this 10, so once you set it, which means this reorder level, once the quantity of this gaming table reach 10 quantity, 10 unit, then once you print for the reorder advice, system will show you this item is going to reorder. Then how much reorder quantity will be is followed by this. So once the quantity reorder level reach 10, how much will be need to reorder? Okay, I will take for 20 quantity here now. Okay, for next is the lead time. What is lead time? Lead time for maybe production manufacturing company, they will need to set this lead time, means that this item when like you need to order or preparing will get how many days, how long's the time. Okay, so next will be output text and also input text. This actually is used for our GSC era, so you can ignore it. Okay, so to last time to set for default text code for output or input text. Okay, next remark 1 and remark 2. You can set your remark for this gaming table. Whatever you want to remark for this item, like you can write down the stock sources, your supplier, or how you can remark here also. Okay, just for your reference. Barcode. Okay, SQL support for the barcode also. So same also is support alphanumeric. You can set like example I take barcode. This is just example here for this gaming table. Okay, tariff code actually is to determine this stock item, but this tariff code we not going to discuss today how to maintain it. This will be under our basic training for our SQL account basic training. Okay, here is the balance quantity. So it will lifetime record calculate your stock item, the balance quantity, if you sales or purchase this stock item. Okay, now I said first, I'm going to show you all the reference cost and also reference price. Okay, we go to purchase first, purchase, then purchase invoice. Okay, this is before the sample purchase invoice. Now I'm going to select new, then select my supplier. Okay, I get my item code, gaming table. You can see now the unit price. Okay, just now we have set the reference cost for this gaming table. You can see now the reference cost will be follow, the unit price will be follow the reference cost that you set just now. So, okay, of course you can set manual change it for the new, maybe have a new cost for this supplier. Okay, you can change it. Okay. So I will show you for the reference price, sales, then sales invoice. Okay, so next, same new, I will select one of the customer, then plus same my item code. Then you can see now the reference price 160 followed by this reference price. Okay, so maybe this time you need to set maybe this customer is will be normally will order for you want to discount for them, then you can set another pricing also can 120. Okay, so after this you can just save it lah. Okay, so this is for the reference price. Okay, we continue for this maintaining our stock item. Okay, so under here bottom part, also important part for this stock item, you can see UOM is unit of measurement. So we just now we got set for the base UOM here. So this is the unit, the lowest rate for the rate one rate. Then the reference cost will be 100 and also 160 reference price. Okay, so SQL support for unlimited more than one UOM also. So let's do another UOM here. Maybe I take for set. So one set will be maybe 5 quantity for this gaming table. So how much the reference price be 500 and 550. Reference price I take it 600 example. Okay, and also you can set for the minimum and also maximum cost and also price here. Okay, by check for this maximum cost, price, and also maximum price. Okay, let's take one example, minimum price and maximum price. Okay, let's maybe unit here I set minimum price, this selling price 160, minimum price I set 150 here. Okay, so I save it. So let's test out for this selling price, sales invoice. Okay, new. I apply for this item, then gaming table. Okay, now I'm going to set 100 for 110. You can see unit price for this item code, it will prompt out the minimum price that you set just now is greater than 150 that I set minimum price just now. Okay, if you proceed, you can yes, then you can proceed. Okay, so next. Okay, So this customer price and also supplier price, if you have multi-pricing, later I will discuss for more the multi-pricing here. Okay, how is it for, let's take for customer price. Okay, we can have a two option here. Either you take for the price tag, also or the company name here lah, company code. Okay, example, how to set this price tag? You need to go to stock, then go to maintain stock price tag. You can see here, once you have the inventory module, you can see that stock, under stock have this maintain stock price tag. Okay, you can select it, then you set here my sample, I have dealer, cost, retail, wholesale. Okay, so how to set which customer or what customer is under which price tag? Okay, I will show you now. Go to customer, maintain customer. Okay, so let's take one of it, dream villa. Okay, you can see here have the price tag column. Still here you can edit, then you can set this maybe under dealer, then you just choose it. So same goes to others customer also. You can choose it and apply this customer is dropped under which category. Okay, can follow me. If have any question, you can drop in your chat box here. Once have time or in our Q&A session, we will discuss it. Okay, so next we will go through, continue for this customer price. Then okay, let's take example, I take for the dealer. Then okay, I take option for the use the price tag quantity. They take 1 unit. Okay, unit price I set just now I selling 160. Special price for this dealer will be 120, just for example here. Okay, so after this you set 120, maybe have a discount, you can set here. Then you, okay, another condition, I set for company. Okay, maybe this Wendy design shop, once they take 2 quantity here, they can have a price of 200. Okay, you can set for 10 ringgit or 10% also, but remember to take to put it a symbol percentage. If not, it will be 10 ringgit. Okay, next condition, maybe okay, 10 quantity. If this dealer take for 10 quantity, okay, the price will be 1,002. Okay, so can have a condition also if this maybe do fair or some project or events there, so or year-end sales, I will like to for this batch dealer or also wholesales, one of it, then you just set one quantity will be special price there, maybe 99, I get 95. Okay, have a period there. You can set for a period from which day 25 Chris until end of year. You can set like this way. Okay, after you set, let's see for this wholesale. Let's see have any wholesale grouping. Price tag. Okay, I take for this 8 infinite concept. Price tag I do for this wholesale. Okay, go together, sales, invoice, new, then yeah, for this 8 infinite concept, the date I need to set, I want to test for the period from the 25th of December to end of year. I take it 28, 2023 here. Okay, so I select back my item in table, one quantity. You can see now the special price they applied 95, which you set it before here. You can see wholesale, which is I assigned just now for the 8 infinite using this wholesale. 95 ringgit for this period, 25 until 31st of December. Okay, so this is the example. Same also goes to others. You can set maybe special company, that only that company have a special price, you can set under here. Okay, this customer price is same also for the supplier price setting here. Just one is for supplier, one is for customer. Okay, next will be more description. Okay, this more description you can do set description. Once you do for invoice, then this more description will auto brings to your invoice. Okay, so because you no need to every time go and set type for more description, it will be more than one line, two line. So you don't need to every time set for this more description. You can set like now is the white gaming table. So maybe you want to set for how many inch or the size, the measurement here. Okay, you want to set option, or you can set warranty how many years. Okay, you can set here. Okay, you also can go to edit this more description. For example, how you do it is you just empty space here, you right click, then go to rich text editor. Okay, so here I would like to white gaming table. Here go to bold it, then larger the size, the font size. Here you can just example okay. After that, you just close it and save it. Yes. Okay, so let test out, save. I go to sales invoice also, then I apply new. We go to the testing for this gaming table. Okay, so we go to open, call out for the more description here. Okay, so take it. Then here you can see have a color here. Normally if don't have more description, it will be like gray color. So now I click for this. You can see what I said will be direct bring to here. So you don't need every time go make but if let's say this time only have any extra remark, you still can be type on. Okay, so if yeah, so this way. Okay, go see first. Okay, next opening balance. Okay, if let's say you starting or you just come in, you are using for SQL system may have the opening balance before this using other software, then switch to SQL. Then in, for new company will don't have any opening balance but for have operating company, they will have the opening balance, right? So how do you set is you just edit it, then maybe you got set multi-location, your company have any location you can set here, and also project. Okay, the costing for the the balance of the stock from previous closing balance will as the opening balance here now. Okay, for this item, how many quantity? Maybe 100. bring over to this when you start, then we'll after I set there, because just now I got sell save for one unit of the this gaming table selling out. So this is opening balance 100. Let's see if I save it. You can see now it's lifetime calculate for your stock item. It will be the balance quantity will be 99 now. Okay, subtotal if costing. Okay, so you can after you done the opening balance, then you just save it. So okay, next category. SQL also have the stock category. This is the add-ons module. If you have the module, not only stock group, you can categorize your group with this module, stock category module. Okay, so depends on your company. If let's say you have more grouping you need to set, then you can go to this stock category. Once you set it, how you go to set this stock category is you go to stock, then you can see maintain stock category here. Once you have this module, only can be saved for this stock category. Okay, after you have and set maintain your stock item with this stock category, when you apply for your stock card, you can filter from this stock category also. Okay, so next alternative. Okay, this is let system know if let's say this gaming table is out of stock, what alternative item code for this table. Okay, you can set it here. Custom item and also supply item. These two field, actually I think quite many, some of the business will like to use this. Okay, for your company, you get this stock item name as gaming table, but maybe your customer or supplier not naming gaming table as gaming table. Maybe they have a code there, or when they release for their order, you can know that they are not mentioned gaming table. Maybe GA, TA, white, right? So how to set it for the customer item name and also supplier. Okay, let's take example for customer pack. I will choose for this C technology. Okay, the customer item code you can set depends followed by your customer. Okay, let's maybe they will as smart dash white round corner example. Okay, so you can set it here. Once you done it, you can save. Okay, for this see here, let's see the magic here. Sales, then go to sales invoice, any sales document lah. So you just new and take for just now see art technology. Okay, but from here you know your naming is gaming table, but from here you can select this line here, the customize grid here, you can select it, then you choose for the customer item here, you tick it. Okay, then you can see now it's not the gaming table white just now, it's the smart dash white dash round corner. Okay, so it will be the customer name, customer item name for this C art customer. Okay, so let's continue for the other spec. Okay, supplier item also same. Once you select for the supplier code, then the supplier will wish this gaming table will be what naming, what brand or how. You can put it here, maintain here. Barcode. Okay, just now we have the barcode here, right? Then what? How about this barcode is for what? Okay, we edit here. Okay, we just now from the UOM, once we support more than one UOM, then the barcode for different UOM will have their own barcode, right? You need to scan with different pricing maybe. So you can set more than one barcode here. Okay, so I will add ons. The barcode will be example only, yeah. Okay, so UOM for this set will be this barcode. Okay, you need to set it up here. Okay, next will be the note. Item creation, this is for your reference. If this item create for your company is what time. Okay, note here, you can remark any notes for your reference here. Okay, so picture, you can set your stock item, this gaming table picture here. Okay, maybe you want to capture it for your maybe your invoice, but just for your informations, if let's say you put it picture here, since picture have their own size, so maybe will affect your database size lah. Okay, so right click, how do you put in for this picture? Very easy, you just right click here, then you have the load, click it, then find your picture locations, choose it. Okay, so simple. Okay, you just save it. But before this, I think I missed out for one thing. UOM here, you can see the right hand side here got second UOM, also default UOM. Okay, actually you can set it there. You can see got the sale, purchase, stock, right? Okay, so for the sales part, you can set the default UOM. Maybe when you sell it is by set. This is the default. So I show you how it works here. You save it first, and then sales, right? I need to open the sales document. Okay, voice. So I open up. Then you can see the gaming table here. Then you can see now the default UOM will be the set. Okay, sure you can change it also, but that one is for faster way that normally you will selling in set, then no need every time you go and change it, since there is default set with the set as the UOM, unit of measurement. Okay, so okay, so for the important part also, if let's say this item you need to go, you will need to have a stock cost, maintain your stock control. You must tick it. Okay, so system will do the stock costing analyze for you. You need to tick it, then share active. Okay, what active? Why we need to do for this active, or maybe if inactive, you need to untick it, because maybe for your company, this example, this gaming table is no longer selling from the company, out of stock or how, and maybe no supply from the supplier, no more selling from the company, then but this item already have some transaction in your database, in your account book, so we cannot direct delete it. If I delete, how about for the previous transaction, the previous entry, right? So how we going to do is we go to edit, then just untick it. Because once you want to delete, also cannot delete, because they will prompt out that lets you know they have some transaction is there, so you are not allowed you to delete it. Then you need to untick active here. Okay, unless this item you newly create but never touch it, never select it, then yes, you can direct delete it. Okay, so today I will active for this stock item. Okay, so far for this stock group and stock item, have any question? Let's see any question there. As a manufacturing company, we buy stock 2 liters of oil. It will be in 2 ml small unit only. Okay, actually this manufacturing part will drop as our production module BOM. So I think you have further, you can refer to your support, your service agent. It's related. Maybe I can show you the module here. Yeah. You need to have our production BOM. Bill of material. Okay, so here will be the productions. Once you have the production, then you can do for the BOM and also set to manufacturing your, maybe your small item, your raw material to your finished goods. Okay, you need to have this production module BOM, so-called BOM. Okay, any other question? Okay, if no, then maybe we proceed later. For the same also the manufacturing question here, because we today we're going to our stock module. So basic for stock and no go through to our production. If let's say I today discuss about the production, then today will be more than 3 hours already. Okay, so if you have more question on production, also BOM, you can refer to your service agent. Yeah. Okay, serial number later we will go when we discuss on the advanced module. So stay tuned on next session. Yeah. Okay. So we continue our parts after for the stock, maintain stock group, maintain stock item, and also how it performs in our sales invoice and also purchase invoice. Okay, let's continue for the next. Okay, I close all first. Okay, so I take one example. Okay, I just do some transaction first for the new item. Okay, very fast here. 10. If the buyer need to select it. Okay. For invoicing and also the AR pad, the GL, AREP, and more details on sales, purchase invoice. Actually, all these module go through in our basic session, basic training. So today we will discuss more details on our stock inventory module, and also next will be the advanced module. Okay, so if your company is need for this maintaining your stock, then yes, today is the topic. Then we will go through all the stock process and also the reports also. Okay, just now I already set some document, do some good received in for this item gaming table. Okay, I will show you the report for stock, print stock cat. Okay, let's see for this print stock cat. Okay, this after this line, actually all is our report, stock report. Okay, you can see also from the screen here, the icon, beautiful icon here, actually here got the stock. Then, okay, you can see report under this, this is all reporting. Okay, so same, here have the stock card here. You can also select this icon, click inside. Okay, let's see. This, okay, my database is under 2023 year. So I will untick it. Okay, then here you can select, you can filter out your stock item. Maybe some of the company, your stock will be more than maybe 1,000, 2,000s, maybe even for the 10,000s. Okay, so you cannot apply all, it will take times to calculate for all the costing. So you can go to filter it. For example, now we same same item gaming table here. I just applied it. Okay, they will calculate costing for you. Then here you can see the opening balance. Okay, so you can see my opening balance just now I got set for opening, right? The date will be like 1899. Yes, this is because the opening balance, so the date will be like this way. So quantity in with 100 quantity here. Then with the costing, how much is the costing there? Okay, so the unit cost also showing up here. Okay, next I got selling out here, and also you can see that two good receipt that I create just now. Okay, so the costing, which first in first followed by the first in first out method. So see whether your company is applying which costing method. System will follow the setting that you set just now. Then here we're showing the costing method. Okay, this is the screen on grid lah, but we have the report also. SQL provide some of the report. You just preview here with the preview icon. Click it. Then here with a serial number and also stock cat. Okay. So, okay, let's see for this item. Okay, just now I set the stock group here. So this is the furniture, the stock group. Okay, so here you can see got stock in, stock out, the flow, the movement of the stock for this gaming table, balance quantity, and also the costing method. You can see once I enter, I have 10, 100 quantity of 90, the costing. Then when I selling out also will be 90 because I take first in, first out method, right? So when I purchase buy in, then it will be 100 for the 90. You can see balance if 99 because just now we were selling out one quantity, right? So balance 99, and also here quantity 2 quantity I bought in with 200 and also 10 quantity with 100. So this is why it lists out for the cost, followed by the costing method, first in first out. Okay, have showing out the costing also for this item. Okay, so just now you can see not only stock card, we have the stock card quantity also. Okay, you can apply it. Then you can see here, same also you can filter it out. You have, if you have category, then here got the category lah. You can select it. Then if have batch, have location, you can filter it also. So what is the difference for stock card and also stock card quantity? You can go to this. Okay, I applied all for now. Okay, so I will like to preview it. Okay, now you can see the difference of the stock card quantity and also stock card is they don't have any costing there, because sometimes you no need you don't want to see any, just want to show the quantity. I need the quantity report only. Then here you go. Okay, you can see that this all this item, list item, then quantity in how much, quantity out how much, and the balance quantity how much. Okay, very direct. No need if you prefer to see only quantity. Okay, so this is the stock card quantity report. Okay, so next we will go to another report, stock report. Okay, so we also have the stock received, stock issue, stock adjustment, and also stock transfer. I will discuss further just later. Okay, so we go to stock received. When you need to use for this stock received document, maybe we have some interact here. When let's guess what time you would like to you will use for this stock received. Can you share me the chat box any response there? Okay, later I will discuss for the multiple warehouse here in advanced module pack. So when we go, we will do for this stock received. Anyone here? No. It's okay. Then we proceed. Yes. So when we need to use for this stock received, in the condition that we know relate to any AR or AP, customer or supplier. Okay, so we will go to stock received. Okay, when we need to use stock received, like maybe your friend give you for this stock item, or maybe as personal, from your personal take into company, right? So it will be the stock received because it is not related to any, you not buy from your supplier also. If yes, then you need to go to good receipt for purchase invoice. But stock received, no need. You just, okay, you can remark for this description, stock received for what conditions? Maybe gift from who. Okay. So the quantity like once you do for this stock receipt, you don't need to do any document like good receipt here. It will duplicate for your entry. So you need to type. Okay. So which location, how many they give you, maybe 5 quantity, what is the cost. So you just save it. Okay, so next for the stock issue. Okay, so here got the sample when damage or stock issue. Maybe you are not selling out to your customer, but it is like maybe just now got example damage, or you take for this stock as free gift or sample or tester, you can or display on your event, then this will be the stock issue. Okay, not related to your customer or supplier. So remark here, same also, any remark, just your understand for your reference, for your account understanding only. Okay, description, maybe for event, for year-end sales event as a display unit. Okay, so sometimes it's for display and not going to selling out. So this item table, I can search gaming table. I will continue use this item here. It will keep appear for this gaming table. Then how much example 3. Okay, so I save it. Okay, this is okay for showing out this document number with duplicate, because the one IS001 is appear before, so I just naming with another document number 2. Okay, okay, so this is for our stock issue and also stock receipt. Every document we have our default report also, but if let's say you have prefer document or any alignment, then you can refer us, then we can advise you. Okay, this is the sample of the stock issue report. This is a more description. This I'm remark, you can delete it manually, delete it also. Stock issue, how many quantity. Okay, so far okay. Okay, so after the stock issue, stock receipt, okay, I will show you for the stock adjustment. Before this stock adjustment, I will show you for the stock physical worksheet. This print stock physical worksheet. Okay, for this, okay, actually normally when we going to do stock take in your warehouse, okay, your stockkeeper you will need to print it one physical worksheet for them. Then SQL is now prepare it. Okay, until this state, I just apply all. Then I can print it out here with some of the format. See which format you prefer. Then I choose the level 1. Then you can see now in the book quantity. Actually, book quantity is system. Under system record how much the quantity here. Then physical quantity. Then you can print it out to your stockkeeper. Then let them to stock count, stock take, how much. Then you can only do for your stock adjustment. Maybe some of the company will monthly, daily, yearly. Okay, so now, okay, some of the user would like to say that I don't want my storekeeper to see this book quantity, because once they know system have how much is it for the item, then maybe they will uh, another hand to take, or how, we don't know. Then they prefer to not showing out this book quantity. So yes, you can ask us to hide this column for you. Okay, then print out as normal. You just print out all this unit, this item code, then this sheet for your stockkeeper. Okay, after you have this physical worksheet, maybe okay, I take one stock group. Okay, so let's take. I close for the others first. Yeah. I need for the stock adjustment. Okay, so now we will need to do for the stock adjustment, but I will prefer I do for the stock group for furniture only for today. Okay, I open, right hand side will be our stock adjustment entry. You just create new here. Okay, sorry, left is the stock adjustment, right will be the physical worksheet. What I do for this way, I select for Windows and tile vertical is when I'm going to do the stock adjustment for this furniture stock group, I select this first line, then I keep press for the shift button on your keyboard, then you scroll down and select the last one. So it can highlight for all this list, same as what you apply on your Excel. Okay, then you just drag and you can see the symbol here and drop it. Okay, so you no need to one by one. If let's say only one item is okay lah, but if your company you're going to adjust for your stock is like 100 plus, then you need to one by one key in. Impossible, right? So you just drag and drop very fast way here to select all the item code that under stock furniture stock group. Okay, so after I drag and drop, you can see now the negative quantity here. Okay, you can call out the book quantity, then you can call out also the physical quantity. Okay, once I adjust a bit there, the location. Okay, this is system. This is if you get the result from your stockkeeper for all these items, then you can key in. Maybe now I take first line the rate, boom rate. Quantity 5, then physical in your store will be 6. So now you need to add one more. This column at quantity is how many quantity you're going to adjust. Okay, so now if let's say your store is 6 quantity, then you need to add one more in, adjust one more in your system. Okay, you can also direct adjust it by 2, by 10, by 10. No problem here. If let's say you want to do it, key in the quantity, then let system to calculate for the variance. Yes, you can go for it. Okay, just now. Okay, I repeat again how you drag and drop the the stock item from the physical worksheet to stock advanced. Now I cancel here. I repeat again the step. Okay, so I create new for this stock advanced, but before this I need to go to open for the stock physical also, then see which item you're going to do the stock adjustment. Then after you open both of the windows, then you go to Windows, then select the first one, tile vertical. Okay, so you select it, it will auto like separate two half for these two windows. Then when I want to select for the item for this list, you can select all, no problem, by Control A. You can also select few item, like you select for first one first by click on it, then hold on the keyboard button shift, holding, then keep press until you select the last one. Okay, same function as what you did on your Excel actually. Excel, all the cells. Okay, after you select, it will in this color, blue color. Then you just drag and also drop here, the empty space here. You can see the symbol. If let's say the symbol is like this way, is wrongly, your way or wrongly, then you just need to move it to here, the empty space here, then release it. Then all the item will be moved. What you select, then will move to this stock adjustment. Then here you can see all this item. I just will go do for this item. Okay. I need to add minus 50 here. Okay, I do some adjustment. Plus 3 minus 2 minus 10, add on 20. Okay, so this is the adjustment. You need to remark for this is for the year end December 2023. Okay, can. Then here you go 2023, save it. Okay, so after you do this adjustment, let's see for the stock cat. Okay, so go to stock, then go to, let's see for the stock card quantity. More easier, more simple. Okay, stock card quantity. I check back for the gaming table. I apply. Okay, you can see now. Okay, I applied the date for all because my date is dropped under 31st of December. Then you can see here, I deduct from the 100 here, deduct out the 50 quantity, this stock adjustment, followed by this document number. Okay, very easy. How you see this all this document, you can also double click for this document number, then system will bring you to this document. Okay, so far any problem for stock adjustment? Okay, can we use stock receipt for raw material purchase and supplier give additional as sample free added? Yes. You for the second one, the supplier give additional as sample. If you want to take in as your stock, then you can use stock receipt document. And also the raw material. If supplier give you as a free item, then yes, you can keep in the stock receipt. But if let's say they selling to you, then you need to open for your purchase document. Okay. Okay. So we go to more to our stock document. Okay, month end. You can see this print month end balance. Okay. So see your depends on the company. Some of the company will be yearly or monthly. Need to keep to maintain their stock value, need to update. Okay, how do you do for this? Is you need to apply for stock month end balance. You can apply the date. I just apply it. Okay, all this item is all from your stock. The stock that you have. So this is the list. Then you can know from this UTD cost. This is the balance. This is the balance stock. Sorry, the cost for your item. Okay, so you can see if let's say you have set for gaming table. Okay, so if you have set the account code that in the stock group just now, it will show in bottom here. If later we have time after our session, then I will show you how it maintain it. This report to show you the month end balance for all the stock. You can also preview in report. Okay, then here for your month end balance for all your stock. Okay, your costing stock cost. Okay, so next, stock aging. We have the stock aging. You can print stock aging. Which stock is aging? You can set here with some of the aging type. Monthly aging, 12 months, 60 months, 12 months, 1 year. 5 years, 5 year monthly, and also yearly, quarterly. This is some of the format for our aging type. Then you can apply also. So maybe after you get for this stock aging, planning to do some event or how to selling all for the long aging stock can also. So you just apply for this stock aging, apply it. Don't okay. This is the more than, okay, here got current, this is Q is quantity. You can see for two-way here, you can see here got quantity and also cost. If let's say you want to see only quantity, you just stick quantity. If both, then you can stick for this cost. Okay, so the cost will be in blue in color. Okay, so this is the monthly 12 month. Okay, sure, here you cannot, I cannot show it out for all the month. You can preview in report here with the 12 months here. Okay, so you can know this item quantity is 5 quantity, aging how long, maybe current or more than 6 months, more than 12 months. Okay, you can see here, get the report here. Okay, also our report can be printed out in Excel or PDF. You can export it out. If you want to share to your manager, also can. We have the WhatsApp function. No need to download in PDF and upload to WhatsApp some more. You just export or can also direct select for this WhatsApp icon. Okay. After this stock aging, okay, we goes to our analyzing by document. Okay. So okay, since I not much quantity here, if not much stock item, if yes, you can filter by this field. Okay, I just apply it. Okay, this to let maybe your company have different department. Your sales department, you're going to know on your how their sales on which item, or your purchasing department will need to know which is the top products. Then you can see on this screen, this report. This is the stock analyzed by document. Okay, so we have the invoice, have the cash sales, CO, good receive note, purchase invoice, and so on. Okay, so you can know, you want to know by quantity, then you want to filter, then you can filter out. Okay, so balance here. Okay, because I applied for this 2024, no data here. I applied for all. Okay, you can see now. Okay, maybe I just sorting here, so you can know for your item the balance here, the quantity, which is the top product, which product is maybe is negative. You need to see which under which document, you can see here. Okay, we have also the report. You can preview it, then here you go. Okay, so far I think I cover for all the stock report. Okay, so any others? Okay, so one more thing, I think I miss out for this two part. For this, we continue with this. Before we have a break, I will discuss for these two first. Print stock document listing. Okay, for the stock document listing here, you can see here we have the stock receipt listing, issue listing, stock transfer listing, and also the adjustment listing. These four documents, just how we create, and you need to know the listing. Maybe by the period or how, then you can select it. How it show, just apply it. Okay, I don't have any data on 2024. I apply it again. Then you can scroll. Okay. You can see just now I got you for the stock received. Stock received. This is stock gift from also stock received. RC is stock received for these two items. Okay. Because I applying for stock receive right here. So here we can get the listing here by preview. Then you can get the result. This is the stock received listing here. Okay, so here we're showing out the stock item, the quantity here. Okay, what is the item code that you open for the stock received? Okay, so same goes to stock issue, stock transfer, and also stock adjustment. Just now we got do for the stock adjustment, right? So here is those item code. Then here you can preview the listing. This is 3 listing that we created. The last one is what we did lah. So here, okay, you can see the finger here actually is for you to see more details. Not only this function lah, you can see tick for this show details, the eye here, then you just click it. Then you can see when I click it, it will show out all the details here. Okay. Then here with the summary of all the item, which items is doing for this stock adjustment. Okay. So next, for the reorder advice. Do you remember just now we have discussed, or I got guide you on how to set for the reorder level and also reorder quantity. Actually, it's 2 for this report. Print stock reorder advice. Okay, you just select it, then sure you can apply it. Maybe some of the user will need to see some of, not only on hand quantity, they will need to add ons or deduct out the SO. Since they are ordering now, they will wants to getting this SO to deduct out and pass back the purchase order. Yes, you can select for this formula here first, then you just apply. Okay, once you preview it, we will follow by what setting you set on your stock item just now. Then system balance of how much, reorder level is 10, reorder quantity is how much, minimum quantity, maximum quantity. Okay, so balance quantity is 5. So now the reorder level which is 10 need to reorder, but now already below than 5 you need to going to reorder. Then what is the amount that going to reorder is 20 quantity. This is one of the example. So this is the advice total how much for all these items. Okay, so this is you can print out, then also send to your purchasing department maybe. Okay, so this is our stock reorder advice. Okay, so this is for all our stock report. Okay, for others it will be the in our advanced module session. Okay, so
subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.